you know what to do. Smash, smash, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the legendary Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I know you've already heard about the downgrade, the downfall, the doom of Bitcoin. So let's talk about the doom of Bitcoin and the implications to you and I. Even me that's talking to you, I cannot believe that there will ever be a time again in this world that the price of Bitcoin will be less than $20,000. As of yesterday, Bitcoin was selling for about $17,000. Unbelievable, unimaginable, unfathomable, unthinkable. That our own Bitcoin has dropped so much to about $17,000. As of the time I'm making this video, you can see that the price of Bitcoin is $20,000. So if I take it to a 5 minutes chart, you can attest that not quite long, which was yesterday on the 18th of June, Bitcoin was selling about $17,000, which you can see the price here, why I moved the cursor. So, and as of now, it's about $20,000. Well, we're hoping that this will be a rebound, but it could just be like a pullback for it to drop further. So, what's actually happening to Bitcoin? Because as of the beginning of this year, which is the 1st of January, you can see here on January 1st, 2022, the price of Bitcoin was about $47,000, $48,000. And even as of November last year, Bitcoin recorded its highest price of about $69,000. So what's happening? That Bitcoin that was trading for about $69,000 dropped to about $48,000. As of today, is trading at about $20,000. That's like about 65% decrease from its highest price in November 2021. Bitcoin is just dropping. If I take you to the daily chart, you can see that Bitcoin is dropping so much as if it's going back to $0. Question is, will Bitcoin go back to $0 because it's moving downward here, or this will be a rebound for it to go back up? So we're here to discuss the implication of Bitcoin dropping from this price to $8,000 to its current price of about $20,000. That's a massive drop. Jesus. Bitcoin is not joking at all. It's just dropping and dropping and dropping since November 2021. And I'm sure that if you have investment in crypto and Bitcoin, your account is in red. Some people are already crying. We retail investors are crying, shouting. And people are just confused, like, what is happening? Let's discuss what's happening for you to know if Bitcoin will keep going down to $0 or it will bounce back. Is that it keep going down to $0, or from this current price, it will bounce back and go back to $69,000. So the first thing that's causing Bitcoin to drop so much is inflation. You can agree with me, since the beginning of this year, the price of items in your area has gone high. So inflation is causing this decrease in Bitcoin. As things are going higher, people are trying to hold on to their money. People are not willing to buy risky assets, risk-on assets like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a good example of a risk-on asset. It means when the economy is good, when things are good, people are willing to buy it to have a higher return, which was what happened for us last year. You can see the price of Bitcoin was going up last year. You see, it went up last year. The economy was in a better shape, was in good state. But since the beginning of this year, things has been in turmoil. So people want to hold on to their money. People that have Bitcoin are selling a Bitcoin just to hold cash. They say cash is king. So inflation is the reason why the price of Bitcoin is plunging, is plummeting on a daily basis. It's because people are selling a Bitcoin to hold on to their real cash. The second reason why Bitcoin is plunging is because of the continuous increment in interest rate in order to match inflation. So as inflation is rising, this is inflation and is rising. So The Fed, which is the central bank of the US, is also increasing its interest rate, which means the borrowing rate for banks and financial institutions, in order to solve the problem of this increase. But the implication for you and I means that people are more worried. That means that things can either get better, which we hope. After all, that's the reason why the Fed is increasing the interest rate. But also, it means that life can become tougher and difficult for people because they're taking away money from people by the Fed increasing the interest rate. So people are trying to hold on to their own money before it becomes difficult to borrow money. Increasing interest rate is the opposite of stimulus. For last year, people were enjoying money. They're giving you free money in the name of stimulus. But this year, they even want to collect the money that they've given you. So because of that, there's fear and tension. People don't have cash at hand to borrow money from the bank, to get a credit card. It's not so easy for the average person. So you can see life is getting a little bit tougher and difficult. And the Fed is doing that not to make your life difficult, but to solve the problem of inflation. And even though people are hopeful that this will solve the problem, but in the long term, we are not sure of how well it will solve the problem. So there is fear in the market, which brings us to the third reason. There's recession, there's fear in the market. People are afraid of how long this bad economy will last. How long will this inflation will last? How long will Fed keep increasing the interest rate? How long will it be to borrow money from the bank and it's difficult to obtain loan or even a credit card? So people are scared. So because the market is scared, people are selling their Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency in order to have cash at hand. Please take note, what I've explained to you happens for Bitcoin and happens for other cryptocurrency. I'm just using Bitcoin as an example. If I click on Ethereum, you can see the same thing is obtainable even on BNB. So what I've explained to you works for different cryptocurrencies. The crypto market has lost about $2 trillion. Goodness, that's massive. So it means that the current market value of the crypto industry is just about $1 trillion, which is barely half of Apple's market capitalization. In fact, this era where the price of cryptocurrency keep dropping, keep falling, is what we call crypto winter. It means that the crypto market is experiencing a bear period longer than expected. You can see that since the beginning of this year, crypto has been falling so much. It has been jumping down, So it's falling so much that even crypto companies are worried. Coinbase has sacked more than 1/5 of its employees. Crypto.com are planning to lay off about 260 employees. Gemini is planning to lay off about 10% of her employees. You see, the crypto industry is in a mess right now. And even a popular crypto lending platform known as Celsius has paused withdrawal from their platform in order to curb this decrease in crypto prices. So you see, the crypto industry, they are shaky, they are trembling, there's turbulence in the market because of this decrease in crypto. And I'm even scared to check my portfolio in cryptocurrency because I don't want to see what is there. I'm scared to check it. I am scared genuinely to check what's in my portfolio right now. Because if I check it, I will cry. I'm not in the mood to cry. I just want to laugh and laugh it off. I know what you and I care so much about is, will this stop? Will this sell-off stop? There's no yes or no answers to this. It's not that simple. It's not that simple. It's not that simple. You've seen the trend on TikTok. So because there are a lot of factors that's been happening. First of all, for crypto to rebound means that the economy has to be in a better shape. So the Fed is increasing interest rates in order to ensure the economy is back to a stable state. And this takes time. So which means even though crypto will rebound, hopefully it will take time. So let's hope in the next 3 months, in the next 4 months, if not towards the end of this year, before we see like a good rebound in crypto. So this implies that if you are someone that's very bullish on crypto, you are very, very bullish on crypto, this is one of the best times to buy. Yes, it sounds funny that the price is falling, and I'm telling you that if you are bullish on crypto, this is the best time to buy because crypto has really, really dropped more than expected. So it's either it dropped lower than this or it rebounds. And if it rebounds, it means you are buying it now at a discounted price and you will make a lot of profit. So if you have money and you're bullish on crypto, this is the best time to buy. Of course, this is not a financial advice. I'm not an expert in advising you on how to use your money. So invest at your own risk. But I'm just saying that if what the Fed is doing happens to work, that this is the best time to buy crypto and make money from cryptocurrency. So you can jump from this $20,000 back to $69,000. Wow, that's massive. That's massive. That's a lot of profit. That's like 20, 40, 60. The profit you make will be ridiculous. But also, if you are bearish on crypto, this number will keep falling. Currently, we are 20,000. So there's no rule that says that it cannot drop to 10,000 or drop to 5,000 or even drop to minus $5,000. The way things are, it's as if we are tending towards a recession, which means difficult life for people. So if the recession actually happens, it means that we crypto investors are in a huge mess because our portfolio would decrease further. So we're at a point now, at a shaky point, where you either make it big from crypto if the market rebounds from here, or you lose more of your money if the market keeps falling. So I just want to give you a broad exposure and understanding of both paths, and for you to make the decision. After all, it's your money and you enjoy the profit. Also, if you lose, you enjoy the loss. So my job is to explain to you what is happening in the market for you to know the best way to handle it. But I'm still bullish on crypto. I believe that crypto will get to 100K. So buy, but buy at your own risk. Thank you guys for watching this video. I highly appreciate. You know the tradition in this channel. We smash the like button. We smash the subscribe button. Oh yeah, now you know the rules and regulations. Smash the like button. Otherwise, I will take crypto to fall further. If you want Bitcoin to rebound and give you some dose, yeah, you know what to do. Smash, smash, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. I'll keep you updated on what's happening in the crypto world and in the stock market. Bye.